Hey YouTube, in this video we're going to check how long one of these bike locks takes to cut. I see some people, they leave their bikes on the street with one of these flexible bike locks with a metal cord running through it. And I have a pair of wire cutters and we're going to see how long it takes to cut through. It's a very old pair of wire cutters, so I'm not expecting great things. And just to say, I bought this bike secondhand. It's a Batavus Dutch brand from a guy. His daughter has moved out and he wants to get rid of it. And she lost the key, so this is trapped on the back rack. Okay, ready, steady, go. Oh my goodness! Was that 3 seconds? Goodness me. Okay, it was less than a couple of seconds. So you can see mainly it's like thick plastic with just a metal cord inside, and the metal cord is made up of little kind of metal wires. As you can see, the wire cutters, which you use for cutting the ends off brake cables or gear cables when you're fitting them, you see it sliced through it in one motion. I used both hands and it just sliced straight through it in about 1.5 seconds. So the learning is, don't use one of these to ever lock your bike. I hope this has been useful. Please subscribe because I have a lot of videos on bike security and how to keep your bike safe. I also have a book below if you're interested in making some money from buying, selling, or even just doing maintenance on second-hand bikes. I've got a book in the link below.